Good morning, everybody. It's Miss Judy. It's a beautiful Saturday morning in Tennessee, but here I am in the house. I'll go out in a little while, but I wanted to follow up with the workshop that video that I did with card making kits. I chose the Grateful for You card making kit. I wanted to follow up with the finished product because I didn't get to the end of it. And I explained how when I'm cutting, I get envelopes and put the pieces that belong to each card in envelopes so that it's easier for assembling, which works great for me. So I have my one card that's pulled together, except for one thing. I have to put the little gold bow. This is the finished card and has a little gold bow. I'm not real happy with my bow on there, but I'm gonna work on it. Then I have number 2, and I haven't finished putting all those together. My bow on this one's better, and I love how you stamp at the bottom with one of the pieces from the stamp set, the little plaids, and then it has "Thank goodness for a friend like you," and you put it together, and then you put a little gold bow, and all the things are included in your kit. The twine is in there, and there's plenty of twine, package of that gold twine. So I just wanted to finish that up and get this out to you as soon as possible. These kits are really nice. There is a card making workshop monthly program that they're starting. They've had this with scrapbooking pages, but now they're starting it with cards. So look on the web page, judyashmore.closetomyheart.com, and check out those kits that can come to you. They're nice. They're totally laid out where you can read the directions. You might, like me, make a lot of mistakes. In fact, I'll show you one of my mistakes real quick. This is from another workshop kit called You're Awesome Workshop on the Go, and it's the card making kit. Well, I cut it out, but when I cut the trees out, I did not pay attention to the direction. So when I got ready to assemble, it's supposed to look like this with the trees and all this. But my trees were turned differently. So I just turned the card around and did it at a different angle. And it worked out fine. So don't give up on a craft just because you make a little boo-boo. You can go back and fix it up yourself very easily. So I want to thank you for watching my video. Please consider me as a consultant for your close to my heart and stamping and scrapbooking and card making and paper making needs. And I love talking to all of you, and I love talking to myself. Have a wonderful Saturday, everybody. Ta-ta!